Kuya offered me a video here in his taxi. I'll be singing Just Once. Yay! This is for you guys. I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. Here we are back where we were before. Seems nothing ever changes. We're back to being strangers, wondering if we ought to stay or head on up the door. Just once, can you figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why we never last for very long? What are we doing wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. If we could just get to it, you know we could break through it. For life, I gave my all, but I think my all may have been too much. Cause Lord knows we're not getting anywhere. It seems we're always blowing whatever we've got going, and it seems at times with all we've got, we haven't got a prayer. Just once, can we figure out what we keep doing wrong? Why the good times never last for long? Where are we going wrong? Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? To make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once. I want to understand why it always comes back to goodbye. Why can't we get ourselves ahead and admit to one another we're no good without each other? Take the best and make it better. Find a way to stay together. Just once, can we find a way to finally make it right? Make the magic last for more than just one night. I know we could break through it if we could just get to it just once. Woohoo! Oh, we can get through it just once. Thank you, Kuya. Ikaw ba rin si Cristiano?
Opo.
Ikaw ba rin si Cristiano? Yan. Yeah, thank you so much for your video, King. Pawala stress. Pawala stress. Pagos trabaho. Video ko dire sa taxi ni Kuya for Lares Cristiano Jr. This song is for you guys through the years. Yeah. Woo! On the year in Davao, wala nis Cagayan. I can remember where you weren't there when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear we've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do through the years. You never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you through the years. I've never been afraid of love of the life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. Yeah. I can remember what I used to do, who I trusted, whom I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so, but through years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, the good and bad, I knew how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, the better every day. You kiss the tears away, as long as it's okay. I'll stay with you through the years. Di na lang paagi? Di lang paagi tayo sa Starbucks, kuya. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I'll belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what love's about by loving you through the years. Habit ako umabot sa akong trabaho. Thank you so much, kuya. What's your name, kuya? Ponpon lang, Ponpon. Ponpon?
BOD.
POD. Ponpon. Rilang. Through the years, you've never let me down. Can you turn my life around? Bayas ako. But I found with you through the years. Every day, you kiss my tears away, as long as it's okay. Okay na, kuya, eh. I'll stay with you through the years. Palakpakan! Woo! Kuya, thank you. Thank you. Bernard, ay. Hi. Amping.
Sige, thank you, kuya.
Amping. So, mga pre. Ayan. Thank you.